And today we're going to be checking out the NJZ folding camping chair. That's right, this is a nice compact chair that only weighs 6.3 pounds but can hold 600 pounds of weight. Way more stable than the umbrella style chairs that we have grown so used to. It's got the high back, so it's going to offer a head support. It is designed after a hammock, so it's super comfortable and it's easy to fold and unfold. So let's go ahead and get it out and take a look. All right, you can see it does come in this nice padded bag. And this is what the chair looks like. You just simply undo the little Velcro strap and you can see how it kind of just falls open. And all you have to do for assembly is you extend out the 4 poles. Two clicks in the back, 1 click in the front, and there you go. You are set up and ready to go. To give you an idea of the size of this chair, I'm 6'1". I weigh about 225, 230, and I could comfortably fish or more likely sleep in this chair. It's so big and so comfortable. It is all made out of aluminum and steel alloy for strength. It's a very tough nylon material that they actually use for the chair itself. It does have a mesh in the back for breathability and comfort, so you just don't start sweating all down your back. And overall, it's a very nice, comfortable chair. Now that you've seen how big it is and how comfortable it is, I'm going to show you how easy it is to store back into its bag. So if you were done camping, and wait, let's not forget the side pockets here. You can have a drink holder and a storage pocket for your phone or fishing tackle or whatever else you want to put in here. But to fold it back, you have the push buttons on here, and we'll just push those and collapse them. 1 on the front, 2 on the back. And then when we get down here, you have a little pin right here on the bottom. You pull the ring, it all collapses just like so. I'm just going to tuck my chair, make sure the cloth is on the inside, and it folds up just like that. And you just take your strap, you run your strap back around it, secure the Velcro, store it back in your bag. And just like that, you're back on the road. So it's very nice to have such a big, comfortable, sturdy chair that collapses and unfolds so quickly. It's going to make those camping trips, those hiking trips, those fishing trips. If you go to parades, it's just going to make that experience so much better to have this easy to fold, comfortable chair. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.